Hello to you all dear guys. Today we are going to make this very beautiful wire beaded pendant. If you'd like to know more on how to make a wire beaded jewelries with different kinds of pearls or beads in different sizes and with wires, please subscribe this channel so that you won't miss any opportunities to make a wire jewelry. So go ahead and start this very beautiful pendant. To start, we need two types of wire. Our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. And also we need some beads of about 6 or 7 millimeters in diameter. We are going to make a square like this with 9 of these beads, 3 and 3. Pick up 1 millimeter wire to make the frame. We put it at the middle of this square and about 1.5 to 2 centimeters. We leave a space and then the wire with our chain nose pliers and make a 90-degree bend. Then here at this point we need another 90-degree bend. So with your chain nose pliers, keep it tight and make another bend. And we continue making these 90-degree bends so that we would have a square with our wire. After making 4 90-degree bends in 4 corners of this square, we are going to cut wire at this point. Now we have two tails here that are just like a V shape, and we are going to wrap one of them all around the other, so we keep them tight and wrap the wire all around the vertical one. If needed, use your round nose pliers to fasten it up and wrap it completely all around. That's at the end, it's needed to push the remaining part with your chain nose pliers onto the work. Now this is your frame and main structure that the beads are going to be put inside this wire square. With your thinner wire of about 0.4 millimeters, just make a tie. Make a tie just at one side of this square and make a little wire coil here. Just 2 or 3 times of wire wrapping is enough. And then cut the wire out in this distance so that we would have another wire coil at the other side. So we cut the wire and we insert 3 of these beads in. This is the second and the third one. This is going to be our first row, and at the other side we would make another wire coil Then you repeat it for 3 rows, inserting these beads into thinner wire and making 2 wire coils at these 2 sides at the beginning and ending point of every row. Now, this is the time to make wire weavings vertical to these lines. So we put our thinner wire and we wrap it all around this frame vertically, and we repeat it for 3 or 4 times, and then we would wrap the ending and starting point of this vertical row around the main frame and main structure and make a little wire coil in both sides. Here I had continued this weaving parts to time vertically and then horizontally, and then again I'm going to make another one here. My friend, don't forget, for these practical and skill-based tutorials, it may seem easy when you are looking at this video, but when you start to make one, there would be little problems. First of all, just ask them in comments and let me know about the challenges that you have. And second, promise, don't be disappointed and be encouraged and practice as much as you could, and don't give up. Just try wisely, and I promise you, you would be successful. And this is the final result, and your rectangular pendant is ready, but you could use it as an earring or other parts, or even in a bracelet or something that you like. It depends on you, but I prefer this for pendants. Then put your round nose pliers at the vertical line that is remained, and then push the wire to make a hook here and to be ready for a chain to be put in this hole. And here we could make a wire coil to attach these 2 parts together. And now this beautiful piece is ready to use. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and hope you would make one and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.